Hello and welcome to another episode of Anything But Authentic, where I make crazy unique food that is anything but authentic. On today's episode, we're gonna be making pesto ice cream. Yes, you heard that right. Ice cream, but with pesto sauce. My inspiration for this recipe came from my adventures back when I was living down in LA. If you haven't been to LA, there are a lot of different food cultures in LA, and part of it is ice cream. In particular, there are shops like Salt and Straw, Scoops, or even Wanderlust that introduces a lot of different flavors of ice cream, like fish sauce ice cream, pizza ice cream, yes, pizza ice cream, and olive oil ice cream. Yeah, they're all weird flavor, and I definitely had my doubts going into trying those flavors. But once I tried those ice cream, my mind was blown. Like, I thought that these people are crazy for trying to make an ice cream version of pizza. But you know what? It worked, and it was definitely delicious. So that pesto ice cream that we're gonna be making is gonna be a vanilla base ice cream with a sweet pesto sauce on top. I personally loved how it turned out, and I really hope that you guys loved it as much as I do too. Let's get started. Alright, so first we're gonna start with making the ice cream base. So what I have here is around 5 egg yolks that I'm just gonna put in and whisk. And then to that, I'm gonna add around half a cup of sugar. And of course, half a teaspoon of salt. I hope you're getting the pattern that I love salt in my sugary things and sugar in my sweet things. It just adds a different level of complexity to the dish that's just out of this world. Trust me, it's worth it. So to this, what you want to do is just kind of whisk it until everything is well combined and all the egg yolks are mixed well, like so. Alright, so the egg yolk and sugar and salt mixture is pretty well mixed. So now I'm going to add in around 1 cup of whole milk, along with 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Just give it a nice whisk. And then what you want to do is pour it into a pan on a saucepan. And then let it cook on medium heat until it coats a wooden spoon, which I'll show you in a little bit. Alright, the ice cream custard has been thickened up pretty nicely. How you want to test for this is take a spoonful like this and just use your finger and just kind of wipe it. If it stays great, by the way. That's good. It's thickened up, so this is at a good stage. So what you want to do is just like take it off the heat and then add in around 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then just give it a stir. And then what you want to do now is to transfer this custard mixture into a medium bowl that is set over a larger bowl with ice and a little bit of water underneath, like so. Basically what I'm doing is trying to cool down the custard mixture before putting it into the ice cream machine, just so that it helps it cool down a little bit. Alright, the custard's been cooled down quite a bit with the ice bath. So now what I'm going to do is gonna put it into the ice cream tub. The ice cream tub that comes with the ice cream machine, that I've put this in the freezer for around an entire day just so that it cools down and helps churn the ice cream. But I'm gonna pour this through a strainer just so that in case there was any egg mixture that was scrambled, then it will be filtered out. Again, like, you know, who would want scrambled egg ice cream, right? So just take it out like so. Gonna slowly pour it in. If you watch my fuzz spice ice cream, this custard mixture is exactly a copy of that. So this has worked before, so there's nothing new to this. Alright, so this is looking good. I'm just gonna now attach this to the ice cream machine, let it run for around half an hour to an hour, and then I'll see you back here in a little bit. Alright, while the ice cream is churning, I kind of turn it off a little bit just to reduce the noise. Let's make the sweet pesto. So what I have here is around 2 cups of basil leaves. And then you want to add around 1/3 cup of pine nuts to it, along with 1/3 cup of grapeseed oil, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. And then you just want to pulse this until everything is well mixed. Alright, the ice cream is pretty well churned for now, and the pesto is well combined. So now what you're gonna do is just kind of mix them together. So just pour them into a container. All right, and then what you want to do is just kind of spoon the pesto in. Just mix it around. All right, that is looking good. I did want to leave a little bit of pesto left just to put it on top when we serve the ice cream, just to give it a little bit more of a pesto taste to the ice cream. So the ice cream is done for now, but you need to let this sit in the freezer and freeze up for at least 4 hours. So that's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna see you back here in around 4 hours. All right, the ice cream is set. I just took it out and put it on a plate and just kind of make it fancy a little bit. I love how it looks, and I'm pretty sure I love how it tastes too. But before I dig in, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. With that said, let's dig in. This is really, really good. The pesto infused into the ice cream definitely enhanced the cooling effect. It's amazing. I can't believe this is not a thing yet. I personally would make more batches of this just to keep it around and munch on all summer. It's that good. But I hope you guys enjoy as much as I do too. Thank you for grubbing with me, Guber. Don't forget to check the description below for the full text recipe. And I hope to see you here next time on Anything But Authentic.